Hey guys, back with another video. This is Rod, the drawer, and today we're gonna be customizing this board right here. And yeah, I don't like the way it looks, so I gotta give it my unique look. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, now the first thing I'm about to do with this board is sand it down. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the process of me sanding it down, and then we're gonna get to doodling. All right, guys. So guys, the board is sanded. Now it's time to spray it white so we can get to doodling. So yeah, yo, got the spray paint, have the board. Let's get to painting. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh, I ain't supposed to show y'all that. This is the sketch, but I didn't really want to show y'all that. But yeah. So I got the sketch done, and now I gotta, draw it on the board, for real. And after that, we're gonna paint it on the board, for real. So yeah, we gotta get to it. Alright guys, so I got through the painting part. This is what I got so far. And yeah, from the rest of this, I'm gonna use my Posca markers. Posca, a Sharpie, well, 2 Sharpies, the big boy, little boy, white paint marker. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna use for the remaining of this, cause like painting is like taking forever. I've been painting all day and it's been at least like 8 hours and I've just been going at it. So yeah, it might not seem like it's been 8 hours, but it has been 8 hours. Cause it started at 1 and now it's 8:02. So yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of this with Posca markers and Sharpie. So let's get into it. Guys, I'm finally done with this. This took so long. It took all day. But here is my new longboard. How does it look, guys? I like it a lot. I don't know. I might skate it, I might not. Probably not. I wasn't gonna skate it from the get-go. I was just saying that. But comment below how you like it. Remember, guys, to like, subscribe, comment below, and hit the notification bell. Hit that bell for notifications when my next video is coming out. Cause look, that bangers come out like this. So yeah. And I will catch you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. For real. For real.